Hello everyone, today I'm finally here to let you know how you can help me help. But first, a little bit more information about the mission, which will be me going as a midwife to Guinea-Bissau, a West African country, to provide prenatal and postnatal care. I will be going with the organization Hope for Fulanis, and the plan for now is to go next year in May and for 1 month each time. The reason I say for now is because I'm actually praying to go earlier, but we'll see. The total cost for me to be able to go for 1 month is about 2,000 euros, which includes flight tickets, visa, transportation, accommodation, food, insurances, and taxes. And I hope I didn't forget anything. At the moment, I'm creating products, courses, and journals, which I'll be sharing more information about later on. But to be able to earn passively so that in the future, it'll be more than enough to always be financially ready to go whenever and wherever God sends me to go. But as I am not there yet, I am here today asking for your help. And there are 3 ways how you can help me. First of all, by donating through this Give, Send, Go campaign I created. And the link I will share in all the bios, all the statuses, all the stories, or send me a message and I will send you the link privately. Secondly, you can help me by sharing and resharing this video and that Give, Send, Go link. And thirdly, and importantly, you can help me by praying for me. I already want to thank you for helping me in whichever way you can help me. And once again, I ask you to stick with me as I continue to share this journey. Thank you and ciao.